John Iocas here with Indiana Farm Bureau Insurance. Hey, recently a question came up, and it was a good question. Something I've heard a couple times actually, where someone was wanting to let their child or adult child borrow the vehicle to move. And the question was, hey, John, is my child covered under my policy or is it their policy? Well, in the state of Indiana, it would be covered under the policy that is covering that vehicle. As long as there's oral permission given to the person driving that vehicle, they are covered under that policy that is covering that vehicle. So let's say I give my son permission to drive my SUV and he gets into an accident. And let's say I've got 250,000 per person and 500,000 per accident. That's my coverage I have on my SUV. And let's say there's over $1 million worth of claims on this accident. Well, I'm only covered up to 500,000. I don't have an umbrella. I don't have something else to cover the extra liability. The secondary insurance then would become my son's insurance, which I'm his agent, so I know what that is. And it still would be more to cover over $1 million. And then anything over what his secondary insurance, his insurance, which would be my secondary insurance on that car because he was in that accident using my car, anything over and above, that would be then my responsibility because it's my vehicle. So, you got to take into consideration the person you're allowing to drive that vehicle. Is it worth the risk? Me and my son, yeah, absolutely. My daughters, absolutely. Family, I would allow them too. But there's some family members even that have higher risks that have not been proven to be probably the best risk. There's friends I would not want to allow to borrow my vehicle because they've been in a lot of accidents. Or they don't have insurance, and they don't have insurance, and you don't want them to take your vehicle because if anything happens, then it all falls on the person who owns that vehicle, which in this case, if I let someone that doesn't have insurance, it'd fall on me, and I don't want to take that risk in that case. So just be wary of and understand what kind of risk you're taking. And if you would like for me to be your agent, give me a call. Phone number 765-474-6466, extension 2236. I'd love to be your agent. Have a good day, and I'll talk to you soon.